All right. So first thing I want to apologize about the sorry state of my desk here. I just came back home from a lot of training, but I just want to explain how a throttle position sensor works on a lot of fuel injected bikes. So a throttle position sensor is basically a type of potentiometer. As you rotate your throttle, the sensor rotates with the throttle. So this is a potentiometer here, which works just like a throttle position sensor. And basically what happens is, here at this yellow wire, we have 5 volts coming from our microcontroller board here. And then the 5 volts goes into this potentiometer. And then the potentiometer applies a resistance to the 5 volts and then outputs a new voltage, which then gets read by the microcontroller, which is just like on a fuel injected bike, which reads the output voltage from the throttle position sensor. Then it takes this output voltage and converts it into a numerical value between 0 and 1023 and uses that number to say your throttle is open this far, right? And then with the knowledge of how far your throttle is open, the bike calculates approximately how much fuel it should inject. So if you watch here, I actually have an output on the screen. See how it's converting? And as I turn our imaginary throttle, see how the numbers change? I'm turning the knob each way with my finger, just like how your throttle would turn. And I'm getting different outputs. See that? And so since no two potentiometers are exactly the same, that's why on a lot of bikes you have to zero out the throttle position sensor. It just means position your throttle to 0% open and then have your bike establish that voltage at the potentiometer's output as the zero position voltage. So that's just a basic of how throttle position sensors work. I hope that y'all found this interesting.